Hi guys, I want to just quickly talk about something that just came up in my client session, and I was reading about this the other night and I've totally struggled with this, and I thought quite a few of you probably have as well. So yeah, keep watching. So if you don't have your period, sometimes you can feel like you're not really a woman and a bit disconnected from being a woman, and you just feel a little bit like shit, right? Because you don't have your period. You don't feel like you're a proper woman, or you feel like you're a bit of a fraud. And I totally get this. I've been through this. I'm going through this. And it's a totally legitimate feeling. What I want you guys to do this week, if you're feeling like this, even if you're not feeling like this, just do it anyway. Because of our very, very, very masculine world that we live in, and we're constantly go, 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 rush, 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 we aren't connected to the feminine very much. And when I say feminine, I don't necessarily mean soft and really like, oh my God, like, look at me, like, doing nothing all day. Like, I'm not saying that feminine. Feminine can be strong. Feminine can know what they want. Feminine can have a long to-do list and get shit done. That's still very feminine. Anyway, so our energy is often very much in our head and in our chest, because that's quite masculine, and it's like, you know, we're always doing things, thinking, all that sort of stuff. Now, females hold this, they hold their energy in their womb area, so down here. So what I want you to do this week, and as much as you can, whenever you're walking around, sitting, whatever, take your energy from your head and channel it down into your womb. And then once it's in your womb, I want you to have a white light in your womb. I want you to move your hips side to side, and I want you to get the energy moving, circling, and imagining the white light in your womb. That is femininity. That is being feminine. That's having that feminine. So when you don't have a period, it doesn't mean that you're not a woman. Being a woman means that you have your energy in your womb area. Even for women that have had hysterectomies and don't have a uterus and whatnot, they can still be doing this, and this is very helpful. So what you're gonna do is take your energy from your head and literally just channel it all the way down to your stomach, into your womb area, and then circle the energy around there. It's a white light. Circle it around there and bring the energy from that womb area into your hips and into your legs and down into the ground. Women carry their energy in their womb area, their hips, and their legs. We are very connected to Mother Nature. So by having this energy out of your head and into your womb, that is going to make you feel like a woman and bring out that femininity. Try it. I know it's easier said than done, but just make an effort this week to do it. Awareness is always key. The first thing is awareness. Just be aware that being a woman doesn't necessarily mean you have your period. If you're working on your period, that's okay. But doing this energy thing is actually going to help you get your period back. Some other stuff came up in the session, which I thought I might share in a couple of days, because I thought it's really, really helpful, and something that I have definitely struggled with too. But I want to leave you with that for now. I don't want to overload you. So that is today's little project, or this week's project, and I'll talk about. And side note,